Yes, come in.
Ma'am, you called for me?
Yes, I did. Get me a coffee.
Coffee, ma'am?
Yes.
What kind of coffee?
One espresso.
One espresso, ma'am?
Yes, get it. Fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello sir, what would you like to order?
Can you show me the menu, please?
Here it is sir.
Get me an espresso.
Okay sir, one espresso coming up in a minute. Sir, would you like it here or a takeaway?
Take away, please.
Give me a moment sir. Your espresso is ready sir.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
One piece of mine, please.
Pardon me?
I'm in hot water.
Okay sir, here it is.
Thank you.
Sir, it's 100 rupees sir.
Can I Google Pay you?
Yes sir, it's the scanner is over here, you could do it.
Paid.
Thank you sir, have a
you.
nice day.
Hopefully.
By the way, what happened to Amrita? I heard some gossip flying around here and there, but what's the full story?
Yeah, lastly I saw her in a wedding actually.
Mm-hmm. But she said she was going to US and something. She keeps lying, man. I don't understand why we're friends
Good
with
busy
her.
actually.
All that drama. I'm in an important meeting. Come back later. Thanks. Yes. Continue.
Okay, leave about that girl.
Oh yeah, what happened to Archana? How is she doing?
Archana, actually we have no news about her. No, none of our friends have actually.
God. All these people are just disappearing from our lives.
A few moments later.
Yes, Dhanush, you can come in now.
Here's your espresso coffee.
Yes. I needed this so bad. Ugh, you're a savior. What's this?
Ma'am,
What is this? I asked for an espresso and this tastes like some filter coffee. Dhanush, you can't get a coffee order correct, Dhanush. What can you do correct without messing up? I don't understand. Tell me one reason why I hired you in the first place. My God. Just.
ma'am, I'm sorry. Ma'am.
I don't want to hear it. Oh, God.
You know what? Yesterday I was watching a TV show. It's really good. You know the show called Office? It's really funny, you know.
I don't actually watch episodes in streaming apps.
Oh, but it's available on TV also. I mean, you could watch it in Comedy Central.
Actually, I'm not so interested in that and all.
Yeah, you just watch it when you're free. No, it'll be really good.
Actually, I noticed my brother watching it once.
Oh, yeah, but watch it. Even you watch it. It's really good, you know. Funny thing. Good afternoon.
Yeah. We have to submit some product details to the client. Are you done with that?
No. I'm really sorry, Mom.
Yeah, I heard I was listening. You were talking about TV shows, soap operas. You have all the time in the world to do that. But little time you don't have to do the basic necessities, the basic reason behind who hired you in the first place.
Actually, it was you, Mom.
I don't understand. See, I don't care how long it's going to take. You stay after office hours, you stay here all night, get the work done, and then go home.
I'll call Arshana. Must be enjoying his time in the US. Hey Arsha, how are you, man? How's US?
Hi Dhanush, I'm going great. What about you?
Yeah, it's the same over here, more or less. So, partying every day over there. Enjoying.
I wish I could. Like, it cannot be like that, bro. I have so much work here. Working as a foreign client and boss is not easy. Too much expectations on the work. Well enough on my side. How's everything back there at your office?
No, the same angry boss, always yelling at us to get the job done.
Hey, hi, Harsha. How are you, man? How's yours?
Hi, Vikas. I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, man, fine. Everything is good. As usual, man. Today was a bad day, man. Right? Our boss.
Yeah, she was angrier than usual. Her coffee was zinced or what?
What happened? Why are you both are bumbling and depressed?
Just usual, man. I was just talking about some normal serious stuff, man, with Madhushri. She just came and she yelled at me, and I don't know, man, why she want to control us. This thing is not, I don't know, man. She's just torturing us like anything.
Bro, she's always like that, bro. Loud and obnoxious till she gets the damn work done from us.
Yeah.
The other day I had to wait for like 45 minutes or so outside the cabin. Just to hand over the email from the client that the job is done.
Oh my god.
She said that she was in an important service provider meeting with many high profile people, and so that's why I had to wait outside. I was like, okay, maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes, or worst case 20 minutes. But then she was talking about the soap of which airs in Comedy Central, The Office. She was talking about that to our friend, bro. What's this, bro?
Something never changed, they do. Did you guys mess up that bad this time? It seems like your guys are really in utopia.
What kind of
That sarcasm is not at all helping, Harsha. You come back to India, then you'll get to know our pain.
have it here? Come back.
She's really a textbook example for hypocrisy and narcissism.
Guys, let's get back to work. She might tell us it again.
Yeah, she might attack us again.
Okay, let me create a group. Hello guys, it's my birthday tomorrow. I'd like you all to attend my birthday party tomorrow. The food is on me.
Oh, that's nice.
Hey, that's awesome. Advance happy birthday.
Finally, something to celebrate.
Yeah, I'm fed up with all this work life, bro.
Guys, this is just for us. Please keep this among us.
I'm not invited. But again, who wants their boss in a party? So I guess it's understandable. Wait, do they know I'm in the same group?
Finally, some peace in our office.
Okay, they definitely don't know I'm here.
Utopia, guys. We get to experience the name of our office for the first time in our lives. By the way, when and where?
It is at Lazy Cafe around lunchtime.
Looking forward to it.
I will join you guys virtually.
Okay, gotcha.
Hey, hello, Madhushri.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Am I the first one to come? What is that?
Yeah, you're the first one to come. Hey, wait, there's Dhanush coming.
Oh, yeah, Dhanush.
Hey guys, am I late?
Hey,
No,
I
no.
wasn't here now only, bro.
He just came now.
Okay. Very happy birthday, Madhu.
Thank you so much.
May you have an awesome day today.
Thank you. Okay, let me call Harsha.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, let's be seated. Come on.
Okay, so Harsha said that he has an urgent important meeting right now with the client. He said that he'll wish you properly with a gift when he comes back to India.
Yeah,
That's
that's
okay.
good, that's
Even
good.
you people had not to get me those gifts and all.
Hey, that's fine. It's your birthday. We have to get gifts.
Yeah.
Okay. But actually, it's such a relief that we're having such a peaceful time without our boss, without our work life. It's so good, you know.
Yeah, especially considering the amount of work we are having
that's
actually.
good. Really hectic.
Bro, don't talk about it, bro. He's like, constantly hounding us from the back, until we get the job done. How many times we have to stay over our times, without any overtime pay to just finish the last project. Seriously, bro. I have never seen her, stay past 6 in her office. And she expects us to be perfect and be professional. She keeps on preaching what she does not even do.
Bro, her communication skills are
Later.
bro.
Hey, bro. What's up?
Yeah, bro. So,
What happened to Madhu?
Yeah, one of her family members was serious, so it was really necessary for us to skip this party. Such a bad birthday for her.
Such a shame, bro.
Yeah, bro. So, yeah, what we were doing that time?
We were
talking about
roasting, bro. Let's continue the
let's
session.
continue the session because we never get to do such things in our work life. So, I see my boss, she'll be talking to someone about some bullshit series, bro, which is not related to the work. It's not, I mean, we are developing nothing in the work, bro. She'll just be talking about some bullshit series which happens every night in Comedy Central.
Exactly, bro. I had to wait a lot of times outside her office to get the job done, bro. And then she's again hounding behind my back, asking me to get the job done, and I have to stay back after 6, for like 3-4 hours, and then get everything done. But I never saw her stay back after 5 minutes, even 5 minutes after 6.
Whenever we complete a job, she'll ask us to do others' job also, bro. What are we, some stupids or what? She's asking us to complete others' job, bro. She's just putting burden on us. She's just torturing us, bro. I don't think so. I don't know why. I may get hypertension someday.
Bro, I thought I could develop in a good environment, bro, in our office, But then this thing, because of the workload and her, her unprofessionalism, it's ruining, bro. It's ruining my life. My time is wasted. One time I asked her to grant me a work from home leave.
Yeah, she used to never do that, bro.
Yeah.
Never. She
But
never allowed us to work from home.
But then after the pandemic, she's
Oh my God.
Hi.
Invited her, bro.
Yeah, why did you stop with us? Continue.
It was about my friend's boss.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
It was not about you.
It wasn't about
You
you.
are so sweet.
How
You're so
stupid do you
sweet.
think I am? Listen, do you know the number of times I had to cover your mistakes? Do you know the number of times I got the blame for your job? When you didn't do things, I wouldn't let it come to you. I would tell you to get the job done. I had to take all the heat, and I knew you guys didn't like me, but to hate me to such an extent. And anytime I told you guys to do anything, it was for your own benefit or for the own companies. Do you know the number of times I told Madhu to attend the technical project meetings? Technical development meetings. You must have heard me a number of times. And do you know why I keep saying that? So that she develops her technical skills. She invited all of you to her birthday party, right? And she added me in the group
Damn
too.
it.
Yeah, so... And I know I'm not supposed to come, okay? But we've been working for so long, I thought I'd just come by and give her a present and leave. But now she's not over here, and I was the one who got all the gifts, so thank you for that. And since it's such a happy occasion, I'll be the one to give 2 gifts to you guys. Vikas and Danish, you both are fine.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Guys, never do such things in your office. Be professional. Please, guys, don't do this. Social media literacy and communication is really important. Please try to learn it in your college because our college is providing it to us.
Yes, please. Technical literacy is a very needed requirement. Even if it's not for the office or to get into a job or interview. First, you need to have the minimum knowledge, technical knowledge, so that you can avoid getting into such kind of awkward situations, and then you can get fired for a lot of reasons, but you shouldn't get fired for this type of thing. Even if you gossip even if you try to do something, please be careful, because today this happened in our office. Tomorrow it might happen with the client. Then it will be disaster, even a big disaster. So at the end of the day, we are getting fired, but then our company might lose the deal. Our company get bankrupt due to many misunderstandings. So please, technical literacy and proper communication skills
Proper
is a must.
communication is really must, because you saw what happened in our, that Express Coffee and Espresso Coffee. It's totally different. And this is a small level, but if this happens in a higher level, it's really bad. It's really bad for the reputation of the company and for the company which you work. So please be careful, guys. Please learn how to communicate properly, and please literate yourself about media. Thank you.
Thank you.
Working with a foreign Adi kuda.
Get a photo of this.
I am. అదొకటే తీసుకున్నా. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి రా.
You should have taken this photo. Oh my god. It's not started recording. He's somewhere. His face is somewhere.
I'm so sorry.
Continue with us, please.
Okay, continue with us, continue.
నీ డైలాగ్ చెప్పు.
ఈ dialogue ఆ? ఇదే రా ఈ dialogue.
మీరు మాట్లాడలేదు కదరా.
నేను మాట్లాడాను.
చెప్తారా? సిగ్నల్ రాలేదేమో. మాకు ఈ సిగ్నల్ రాలేదేమో. నేను మీది రాలేదని నేను వెయిట్ చేస్తాను.
లేదా? Just continue with us.
మళ్ళా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి రా.
ఏయ్, వద్దురా, కంటిన్యూ చేయి.
Continue saying, I'm edit
ఆ dialogue
I told mother to go.
Okay, another take.
అదే dialogue.
Okay, you come again.
Okay, how do I focus it better? The lighting is not getting it. Is there any button?
మీరు మాట్లాడలేదు కదరా. సిగ్నల్ రాలేదేమో. మాకు ఈ సిగ్నల్ రాలేదు.
Cut.